Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video we'll be unboxing what is one of the best deals on Amazon right now. So in this video we'll be unboxing the Echo Dot plus Smart Light combo. Now we've actually seen this Echo Dot be on offer and being sold for 2500 rupees, but this is actually more compelling because you get a smart bulb which is Alexa enabled as well as the Echo Dot itself at the same price, that is 2499 rupees. So as you can see, the price mentioned on the box is 4499, but we've got it for that price. So let's open the box and see what's there in the box. So the opening the box is actually very easy and doesn't require any knife, so that's actually a very good thing. So once you open the package, you have actually got the Echo Dot itself in the first. So let's take it out and put it aside so that we can see what else is there in the box. So let's put it aside, and then we have actually these pamphlets actually containing the Echo Dot naming. So there are actually two of them, the black and the white one. We'll see what they are later. And next up we can see that there's another paper which is things to do on your Echo Dot. Actually usually when people buy an Echo Dot, they're actually having no idea of what to use it for, so this gives some interesting ideas on what to use it for. So next up, once you lift this flap, we have the external power adapter. So we actually have to deal with this external power adapter because the Echo Dot is already a pretty small device. So there is no space inside it to put a power source. So we have this bulky power adapter, but nevertheless it looks pretty good. It should go with any of the setups, so it is Amazon branded. So let's put it aside, and here we have the Echo Dot itself. So taking a look at it, it actually feels pretty substantial and heavy. So let me take this out of this plastic wrap so that we can take a clear look at the device itself. So taking it out of the plastic wrap, as you can see, this is the rubber base that we have and all the regulatory information that's been given on the bottom of it. And here we have the external power as well as external audio. And then on the top we have your controls, the volume up and volume down. This is the stop button, and then this is the mute button. And we can also see those four microphones that is on the top surface. And overall it actually feels very nice, the rubber base and the felt surface on the sides, and the plastic on the top also is actually pretty what to tell, high grade of plastic. So let's put that aside and let's see the next part of this deal. So next up we have this Wipro smart bulb. It's actually called Wipro Garnet, and this is a smart bulb. You have an app control as well as it's Alexa enabled, and it's actually a very good starting point if you're actually starting towards a smart home. It's actually a nice kit to buy. So nothing special. It has 16 million colors. You can tune the color from warm white to cold white. It's Alexa enabled, and you can also control it with the app. So let's cut the seal open and look at what you get in the box. So here's the second one. Okay, so let's open the box. And usually if you have to buy this, it will actually be available for a price of 650 rupees, and this is the 9-watt version, so should be bright enough. So taking out the bulb itself, actually the packaging is bare bones, but we're not here to complain about that. So here we have the Wipro branding and the regulatory information, and as you can see, the bulb actually comes with a B22 socket, so it should be compatible with most of our Indian home bulb sockets. So that's pretty much it. And next up we have the user manual for this bulb. So taking a look at it, probably this tells how to connect the smart bulb to the app and to Alexa after we connect it to the app. So that's actually an amazing deal, guys. So that's it for this video. Consider hitting the subscribe button if you like to see more videos like this. Hit the like if you like the video, and show us your support in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.